Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University.
Namaskar dear students, I Dr. Himanshu Patel welcome you from the Chaitanya studio of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University. We are in lecture series for the course Bachelor in Computer Application, and we will learn regarding paper BCA 105 Microsoft Office Suite. In last section we have discussed about various page layouts, find, replace and go to options available in Microsoft Word, how to show and hide different things using view menu in Microsoft Word. We have also discussed how to insert header and footer in your document and how to use footnote in your document. So, in today's section we will learn about how to use other features that is available in Microsoft Word, like how to insert picture, diagram, clip art, word art, symbols, auto text in document, and how to check for grammar and spelling mistakes in your document. So, let us start with that. So, here on screen you can see we have created this document in last lecture. Now, we want to show footnotes. For that we can use view and footnotes. So, it will immediately move you to the footnotes. Remember, footnote is at the end of page and endnote is at the end of entire document. Now, here we have page number, inside insert we have option page number. So, here I can say page number. So, where I need to insert page number? So, there are two options, either top of the page or at the bottom of the page, and there are alignments like left, center, right, inside or outside. So, I want to add at the center of, at the right of page and in bottom. So, I just press OK. So, here you can see we have page number in the bottom right of our footer. So, this is how you can insert page number. Now, sometimes we need to insert current and date and time. For example, if I am typing letter, I need to insert date and time. So, how can we do that? So, I am pressing date and time. So, here you can see it shows current date and time, and there are various formats available to choose from, and here I want to use format like this. So, it shows available formats and then you have to press OK. So, at the place of cursor it will insert current date and time. So, you need not to type current date and time, it will automatically fetch your system date, right. So, this is how you can insert date and time. Another important feature is auto text. Auto text and autocorrect, these are the two options available in Microsoft Word, auto text and correct. Now, remember what is difference between auto text and autocorrect is, auto text will automatically suggest you whether you want to add this text in your document as you type few characters of the text, and autocorrect will immediately replace some predefined text with text which is mapped with that text. So, here I want to create auto text. So, here suppose I want to give my university name for auto text. So, here I am typing that name that I want to insert as a auto text. So, this is my university name, and when I press this add, it is added in our auto text entry. Now I am pressing OK. Now let us see how to use auto text. So I am go to end of the document, and for example, if I type few characters of Baba Saheb Ambedkar University, then it will automatically suggest me whether you want to use this, and if you want to use this, press enter, otherwise continue whatever you want to type. So here I am pressing enter. So by typing few characters of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Open University, I can have that entire name available using auto text. So this is how I can use auto text. Another features is, inside auto text we have auto correct. So these auto correct replace particular character with another character. Here there are some standard entries. For example, you want to insert copyright symbol, you just press C between brackets. If you want to show registered trademark, you just press R between bracket, and if you want to show trademark, just press TM in bracket. So let us first look at it how to use predefine. So here I want to say copyright is with Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Open University. So whenever I just completed that bracket, it automatically correct these entry to copyright symbol, and suppose I want to say BAOU is registered. So this is how I can replace R, and if I type TM, then it is a trademark. So there is a some predefined entries available in autocorrect that you can see from insert auto text. Now I want to provide customize autocorrect option. For example, whenever user press BAOU, I want to immediately replace that with Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Open University. So just type replace whatever word you want to replace, and with inside with you have to type whatever you want to replace with. So here I am typing BAOU, and entry to be replaced with BAOU is Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Open University. Then I need to press add command. Now whenever I press BAOU, it will immediately replace that text with whatever text we have provided. In this case, we have provided Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Open University. So using auto text and auto correct, you can quickly enter text in document, which is frequently used. Now I want to insert field. So what is field? Field is a predefined tag. For example, I want to use author name. So inside author, I want to type some so here it insert whenever I select author, it replace with that word. So this is how you can use field. There are many fields available that you can explore yourself. For example, my file name. So here my file name is introduction to 2. So I need not to type that. It will automatically insert that field. Similarly, we have file size. So this is size of our file in bytes. So this is how you can use field, which is predefined entry which shows something useful on document. Now, next is a symbol. Sometimes what will happen, we do not have other symbols than standard characters on keyboard. For example, you can show on screen these kind of characters are generally not available on keyboard and that you want to use. So, what you can do is you can use these kind of characters: pound, dollar, copyright, register, trademark, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, mu, alpha, infinity, multiply, division, etc. So, here you find recently used symbols and from here you can change that. But remember, these must be available in your computer. So, here are symbol. For example, I want to use these, I can press insert and then press close. So, wherever our cursor is, that symbol is inserted. So, symbol is used to insert symbol which is generally not available on keyboard and it must be available on your system as a font. Now, I can suppose I am reviewing this document, then I need to give comment to author. So, what I can do is whatever comment I want to give to these, I can use insert and then comment. So, here I can type my comment. For example, I want to say use appropriate title. So, now author can see that I need to change this title as per reviewer comments. So, this is how I can show comments in my document and accordingly author can act on that. So, it is again useful features. Now, inside reference we have footnote. So, footnote we have already discussed. Now, there is a option available, caption. Now, what is caption? For example, I am using some figure in my document and I need to give caption to that. I quickly insert some picture in my document using insert, picture and clip art. So, here you can search for picture which is clip art. So, here you can see it shows clip art which is matches with computer. So, here you can see it is currently searching for clip arts which matches computer. So, here you can see I can use this clip art, I just need to click that. Now, suppose I want to provide caption to this. So, I can give caption to this figure by pressing caption. So, here I can give caption like figure 1 and introduction to computer for example. Here you can see if it is table you can say table, if it is equation you can say equation, if it is figure you can say figure. You can also define new labels that is displayed here and you can also define numbering. So, I am just pressing OK. So, it displays figure 1 introduction to computer. So, this is how I can insert caption from reference. The next thing is how to insert picture. We have already seen how to insert clip art. Now, what is difference between clip art and image? Now, here you can see Now, these clip art is basically known as a vector image, which is created from lines and curves. So, if I creating picture in Microsoft Paint, it is a bitmap that picture is consist of pixels in row and column. But in case of clip art, it is a picture that is made up of lines and curves, and there are some standard clip arts which is provided by Microsoft Word in your that you can directly use from that category, and if you have some other customized clip arts that you can also import. But remember, the difference between picture and clip art is picture is known as a bitmap and clip art is known as a vector image, right. Now, second option that is available in insert picture is from file. If you have created picture earlier and you need to insert that picture in your document, you can directly import that picture from file in your document from insert picture and from file options. So, let us see how to do that. Here we have insert picture and from file. So, here are some ready made pictures available. I want to insert these picture. So, I just select that and press insert. Now, you can see that this picture is available. You can use picture or insert picture anywhere in document. So, again I am going to from file and add another picture. So, here you can see we have second pictures available. Now, whenever you insert picture in document, these picture toolbar will automatically appear. Now, what are the options? So, again this is insert picture. Now, these specifies whether you want to display automatic color or grayscale. Grayscale means it only shows shades of gray. So, here that picture is converted into grayscale, which is a shades of gray, and in case of black and white, my picture is completely converted into black and white color. And in automatic we have original picture, and when I say wash out, it transparency is decreased. So, this kind of picture can be placed behind text, so that text can be read and picture can also be displayed. So, this picture toolbar provides many options. Here I again selecting automatic. Here you can contrast your picture. So, you can see my picture is changing. Here I can reduce my contrast in order to get original picture back. Similarly, brightness can be increased or decreased. You can crop particular part of picture. So, I can crop or remove certain part of picture using crop tool. So, I just want to show sun rising. So, I can crop remaining parts. Similarly, I can rotate my picture on clockwise direction, and I can provide different line borders to my picture. Similarly, I can compress my picture, and it gives whether you want to apply it to selected picture or all pictures in document, whether you want to change resolution for web or screen, for print, no change. So, if I select web and screen, it use resolution 96 dpi, which is less than print. So, when you want to print, you must have high resolution. So, in case of print, it reduced resolution to 2 dpi if it is higher, and in case of web and screen, it reduced resolution to 96 dpi, and no change means you do not want to do anything. So, this is how you can compress your picture. Now, text wrapping is important part. Suppose I want to place my picture in line with text. Now, let us see what will happen if I move this picture to text. So, I am just moving. So, it is in line with text. Now, if I select this square, so whenever I move, that square portion is left and text is automatically arranged. Now, if I say tight, it will try to fit picture and text together, and if I select behind the text, the picture will be immediately moved back to the text, so that you can read this. Now, in this case I can use washout, so that you can easily read text. So, remember, for that you need to use washout. In front of text, then text is hide. Top and bottom means text is adjusted on top and bottom, and through means it is a similar to tight. So, this is how I can arrange my pictures and insert picture. Third option is from scanner or camera. If you have attached your with your computer scanner or camera, you can directly import picture from scanner or camera using these option, and we have some auto shapes available to insert. So, here I am selecting auto shape. Now, inside auto shape we have different shapes available, which is basic shapes. For example, I want to insert this smiley face. So, I need to just select and draw. If you want to delete this, you can just select and delete. I want to insert smiley face here. So, I can use this any of these shape and just drag your mouse button to draw that shape. Similarly, other basic shape can also be used. For example, if I want to draw heart, what can I do is just select heart and drag and draw heart. So, you can also use these kind of auto shapes using these options. Then we have Wordart. Wordart is also available in drawing toolbar. Suppose I want to display fancy text. For example, here I am writing, this is example of Wordart. This is plain text. Now, I want to insert Wordart. So, go to Wordart and whatever style that you want to apply, you can select here. For example, I want to write down like this. So, I need to select that and I need to type my text here. So, I am typing BAOU and press OK. So, plain text is a very simple text, but Wordart is a very fancy. You can easily edit text. You can change its size. So, here you can see how we can change, and you can also change style. So, it is a different type of Wordart. So, this is how you can use Wordart in your document. The next option is organization chart. Organization chart, as its name suggests, is used to display organization chart. So, what I can do is, if I want to show a university hierarchy, I can have something like this. and suppose I want to insert shape, more shapes, then what I can say is this will be inserted of subordinate of director 2. So, here can subordinate. Suppose I want to insert one more director, I need to select co-worker because it is at same hierarchy. So, here we have one more director, and using subordinate you can add at lower level. So, this is how different layout, this is how you can use different layout, both hanging, left hanging, right hanging and auto layout, and this is a standard layout, right. I want to zoom my document to page width. So, I can press so that I can better view this content. So, I hope you understand how to insert Wordart and organization chart. So, we have discussed clip art, from file, from scanner or camera, new drawing, auto shape, Wordart, organization chart and chart. Now, when you insert chart, which is very similar to chart in Microsoft Excel. So, here is a Excel sheet where you need to enter your data. So, here what I can do is I can enter my data and accordingly my chart is changing. You can see that my chart is changing. So, I can quickly enter chart, and in Excel we have already seen this how to create chart. So, you can insert chart like that. Then we have different types of diagrams available that we can use from insert and diagram. So, I want to create loop like this. So, I select that diagram and press OK. So, here I am adding something. Now, I want to add one more phase. So, what I can do is I can insert shape and it will automatically add. Likewise, you can add as many as steps you want. So, this will show that you start with analysis, then design, coding, testing and implement. So, this kind of diagram can be inserted easily in Microsoft Word. If you want to show some pyramid structure, what you can do is you can insert that also. Here you can type text, so this kind of diagram you can easily create. You can easily change it to some other diagram like cycle or again we go to pyramid. So, these not only allow you to create diagram, but you can quickly change between diagrams if you require. So, we have understand these options like comment, reference, picture and diagram. Suppose you want to add 2 pages which is created in separate file, what you can do is you can select file, insert and file. So, it will automatically add whatever is available introduction to in this file. So, go to insert, file and select file that you want to insert. So, this is another file content which is already there. I can quickly add that file in my document. So, we have explored insert menu with different features. Now, we want to create bookmark. What is bookmark is? Bookmark can be used to quickly move between different sections of Microsoft Word. So, here for example, I am creating one bookmark at the place of date. So, I just insert and bookmark. Now, what is the name of this bookmark is home, and I press add, right. And if I am at the end and if I insert hyperlink, and inside hyperlink you can link it to existing file or web page, you can place in this document, you can create new document or email address. So, here I am pressing home and here I am selecting bookmark, which is home. So, now these link displays text home, and it will, when clicking on it, it will move me to the home. So, I am pressing OK. Now, when you press Ctrl and click, it will immediately move to that bookmark. So, bookmark is a place where you can jump, and hyperlink is a way to jump at that location. So, friends, in today's session we have learned how to insert different kind of things in your document, whether it is a picture which may be clip art from another file, it may be word art, it may be auto shape, it may be diagram, it may be clip art, and we have also learned how to create hyperlink and bookmark, symbol, comment, reference. We have understand the difference between auto text and autocorrect. We have also learned how to insert picture in your document, how to arrange that picture with text, how to change its brightness, contrast and other settings, and what is difference between clip art and bitmap. We have also learned how to insert bookmark and how to reach to bookmark using hyperlink. I hope you enjoy this session. Thank you and happy learning.
स्वाध्यायः परमं तप